Good afternoon and welcome to one and all to Tech Talk Tuesday. Thank you for joining us in our very first session this season. We are extremely happy to share that this is our third webinar series and that I would like to thank you all from the bottom of our heart for all the love, support and trust that you place in us. Like each year, we make our effort to get you the best voices in education to share their expertise with us. We wholeheartedly welcome anyone who would like to share their expertise with the world to be a part of Tech Talk Tuesday and present in the webinar series. Please feel free to connect with us anytime at thepedagogics@outlook.com. I'll be sharing the same in the chat window also, or via our Pedagogics page on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Before we begin the webinar, please allow me to speak about some basic hygiene. During the presentation period, we urge all the participants to kindly stay on mute. Please use the chat window to share your thoughts, ideas, comments, and queries, and we will keep an active eye on the window. Post the presentation, we will have 10 minutes of interaction time where we shall address all the queries. We have a special Tech Talk Tuesday teams created for ongoing interactions beyond this webinar, and we shall be happy to include you in the teams. For this, please register yourself at the following link, which I'm just going to post in our chat window. So I've just posted the link wherein you can join in. I'll take this platform also to share that the deadline for applying for MIE expert is soon approaching. For any details, you can again refer to the link which is being posted right now. Feel free to connect for any queries regarding the same. Be a part of this wonderful community. Showcase your learnings and your work around the world and get applauded also. It's a wonderful platform which gives loads of opportunities also to educators. Teaching and learning with technology prior to this point was mostly limited to supplementary collaboration tools for communication, learning management systems, and electronic texts. The technology was simply an electronic aid to traditional didactic teaching, adding a little modern muscle to the same ways we have taught and learned for decades. We are now entering an era where technology really does the teaching, providing an entirely new mechanism for learning. In the same process, today's Tuesday Tech Talk aims at the topic AR, VR with Minecraft and 3D printing. I'll request Chanchal ma'am to stay on mute, please. Pedagogics has a broad network with educationists who specialize in varied domains and offer guidance and mentorship to meet the ever-evolving needs of the education institutes, be it curriculum and content development, professional learning engagements, or learning education partner. I now hand over to our host. The webinar host for today is Ms. Monica Joshi, who is the IT head at Satpal Mittal School and representing the Pedagogics team. I am Dohita Parmar, Education Technology Consultant. I would humbly request Monica ma'am to start the talk. Thank you.
Thank you, Dohita ma'am. Good evening, all of you. This is Monica Joshi, and I am Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert from the last 5 years. Also, I'm a Minecraft Global Mentor, Teach SDGs Ambassador, and the Flipgrid Student Voice Ambassador. I want to thank the team Pedagogics for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my expertise with you all to make it a meaningful and fruitful session. I assure you that by the end of this session, we'll have a lot of examples that we can use in our classes to make the learning experience more engaging and interactive. As shared by Duhita ma'am, we have today's topic is on AR, VR and e-learning. So what is AR basically? It is augmented reality. It's a type of interactive reality-based display environment that takes the capability of computer-generated display, sound, text, and effects to enhance the user's real-world experience. Whereas virtual reality is a way to create a computer-generated environment that immerses the user into virtual world. When we put on a VR headset, it takes us to a stimulated setup, making us completely aware Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you, Monica ma'am.
Yeah, actually somebody has put me on mute.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So I was saying that AR and VR actually helps in deeper classroom engagement and interaction. By incorporating augmented reality into lessons, teachers are able to involve students into the process with three-dimensional models. For examples, like you have a topic called volcano and earthquakes, parts of plants, human heart, and if these are shown in the form of 3D model with the AR or VR, can make the topic actually very interesting, and it will help the children to retain that concept. And it also helps in understanding about the abstract and difficult concepts. AR technology has an ability to render objects that are hard to imagine and turn them into 3D models. Just a minute, I think the presentation has gone. Can the presentation be seen?
The presentation is not visible.
Somebody has taken the control again.
Just try to upload it again and we can continue.
Yeah. So I'll continue that AR technology has an ability to render objects that are hard to imagine and turn them into 3D models, thus making it easier to grasp the abstract and difficult content. This is especially good for visual learners and practically anyone to translate theoretical material into a real concept. It also helps you to discover and learn, like history teachers could access AR via smartphones and discover historical content related to objects. Sometimes I'll say that due to time constraints, teacher is not able to take the children to the field trip. And so teachers can use this feature to cover her topic. It also helps in the object modeling, like quiz solving, etc. Help earn a better knowledge of any lesson. AR apps for medical students may be one of the way to learn human anatomy, explore more deeply. Augmented reality basically means interaction with 3D models, and you can set the rotation, transparency, color scheme, styles, etc. Finally, there could be more advanced animations via special gadgets like holographic lenses instead of the smartphones. And you can also use this with the help of your Android phones and the iOS phones. So let me tell you about how you can export your 3D model from Minecraft. So the presentation is loading. I hope you all can see the screen.
Yeah, but we need to move the slides. We are stuck on slide number 3.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
just moving it.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, the screen is there.
Yes.
So we are talking about how to export 3D model from Minecraft. For that, I'll be explaining it stepwise. Step 1 is you have to type slash and write give and type @s structure underscore block. I'll repeat slash give @s. @s means it is you. Structure underscore block. And after that you place this block on the Minecraft world. Once you have placed it, then press on it again. When you press on the structure block, this step 3 window will open up, which will try you to build your model, and you have to provide the coordinates X, Y, and Z. Now, why X, Y, and Z? Because it's a 3D box, 3D model, so it will be having the coordinates X, Y, and Z. And you should not give the coordinates more than 32. It can be 32, 32, 32. It's the maximum limit. You cannot take it bigger than that. Write the name of your model and then export it as a 3D file. You write the name, like I have written the name dam, and then click on export. When you click on export, it is asking you to save and save it as a 3D file. In case you need to make some changes in this model, you can open this model in any 3D app. And with Windows 10, you have Paint 3D with you available. You can do the editing there, and then you can do the printing. The 3D printer in Minecraft has the GLB extension. And if your printer does not support the extension, then you can change it with the help. There is a Cura app, C-U-R-A, Cura app. The link we will be posting in the chat window. You can change the extension of the 3D model with the help of that. So I hope I'm clear with how you can export the Minecraft to 3D model for the 3D printing. The next I'm going to talk about is how you can see the Minecraft 3D model exported from the Minecraft with the help of the merge cube. So what you have to do, you have already exported the Minecraft model. You have to open that model with Paint 3D and save it as .fbx. fbx is a object file, because when you export it from Minecraft, it is taken as a GBL file. It's a 3D file. You have to save it as .fbx, that is film box format. And then after that, you open the Play Store on your mobile and download the app called Object Viewer for Merge Cube. After this, once you have downloaded the app, you go on the website called miniverse.io, create an account there, and after you have created an account, click on My Objects. And once you click on My Objects, you add the object, the model which you have exported from Minecraft, and upload it here. When you upload any object, any model here, it is added in the name of given some code, a unique code. Like you can see there are few codes given on the screen, NVP, N4D. These are the codes given to that model, which is unique. And then when you want to see this with the help of merge cube, what you have to do is you just have to point the camera on the merge cube to view this 3D object. It is actually very interesting. The child can see right in the hand. Suppose you have human heart, the brain, and the parts of flowers. They can feel it visually and very interactively can explore that topic. And it's so fun for the child to learn in this way. Next, very interesting is the AR using with CoSpaces EDU, which you can find on the website edu.cospaces.io. CoSpaces EDU is an intuitive educational technology enabling students and teachers to easily build their own 3D creations, animate them with code, and explore them in virtual or augmented reality. With this, you can add your own 360-degree image for the background, add objects and characters from library to ready to use 3D models, and create your own virtual world. Make your own objects using 3D primitives, simple building blocks from basic geometric forms. Upload any 3D model image, video, and sound to personalize your space. You can even add a background music to create a special atmosphere or even record your own audio narrative for your stories. The blank canvas in CoSpaces EDU is the perfect place for you and your kids to let their imagination unfold and create anything using the many various 3D creation tools and elements available. You can even add your students to this place and to create your own objects in CoSpaces. You have to click on My Spaces and select either with AR or VR or Merge Cube. The 3D model created here can be viewed in the Merge Cube as well. Or you can use it with the help of HoloLens also. There are a few links which are here on the screen. We'll be posting in the chat window. A science lesson which is made using CoSpaces, which can be seen in the Merge Cube, showing the body parts with the augmented reality in the new way. Molecular geometry of the chemical compounds to three-dimensional structure and the arrangement of the atoms in a molecule. And also a life cycle supporting with the help of CoSpaces EDU. Moving further, my favorite, that is Lifelike. It is one of its kind, the first digital curriculum that engages students with interactive 3D models related to science, geography, and geometry mostly. Lifelike enables you to teach and learn with a drag and drop feature only. And it provides you more than 1,000 interactive 3D and augmented reality models into the lesson plans, ebooks, and other learning resources. And over 700 of lesson plans for learning, creating, and sharing of their own content. Lifelike offers core curriculum app for all the devices. It also offers VR Museum and HoloLens. As on screen, you can see you can have an interactive 3D. There are lessons in the My Library, the ones which you use frequently. There is a lesson which I have pasted here about the skin section. It shows about the hair bulb, epidemics, touch body, all the parts, and that in a 3D form. And you can also add the augmented reality with that. One of the best feature is that you can access the Lifelike right from your Microsoft Teams. From apps, you can add Lifelike, and then teachers and students are able to share Lifelike content directly into the team apps. Next, some quick apps which I'm going to share. That is, you can also use AR and VR with the help of Unity 3D. You can create a 3D model, a movie, and then you can combine that with the Minecraft also. Then you have Tinkercad. It is also having free models which you can export and use it for your Merge Cube and for your AR and VR concepts. Then we have an app called 3D Bear, which is also a very wonderful and interactive application which helps to work with the AR and VR feature. And then Paint 3D, I have already explained that with this also you have lots of 3D models in the library. Also, you can create your own models and own projects also here. So I'm sure this is quite clear to all of you. And I'm opening the hall for questions.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Uh, we have good lot of 10 minutes. So I would request everyone, if there are any queries or questions, can post in the chat window. Simultaneously, we are sharing 2 promo codes with you all. We humbly request you to please redeem these promo codes so that you can you can get your points also for the same. So we have a question, Monica ma'am. Do we have to buy this merge cube?
No, it is available on Google. I'll just post in this Teams chat only. You just have to take the printout. The instructions are given there, how you have to fold, how you have to cut, and then you can make it in the form of a cube. It will cost you, I think, rupee 1, less than that, if you take a printout and then use it. You don't have to buy merge cube. All you need is you should have an app with the help of which you can show the 3D model, the AR object on the merge cube. I hope I cleared the doubt, the question.
Yes. So I hope you will be sharing the link because that is another thing that they have asked.
Yes, yes. I'll
Ronima
just.
ma'am. I hope the promo codes are clear and are visible nicely. I have shared them, reshared them again. Please feel free. Any other queries are there?
I'm just sharing the link uh, for the merge cube. I've posted in the chat window from where you can take the printout for the merge cube. And also the instructions are given how you can fold it. After cutting, how you can make it in the form of a 3D cube.
Yeah, that's wonderful, Sharda ma'am, that the pre-primary section is also using the merge cube as it's a wonderful tool for better learning processes.
That's really great. Even the lifelike is also having lots of features. I mean, like you if you have a topic called volcano and earthquakes, you can actually zoom in and show the children uh, right the things, like you cannot show it on the flat image. You can zoom, and with the help of a virtual reality you can show the children where is actually the silt is, where is actually the lava erupting. That you can show. There are lots of modules in lifelike available.
So the chat window is just filling up with so much of thank yous. I think we would love to thank you because without you, the sessions are incomplete. So you have taken out your out of your busy schedules in your life, you have taken out this half an hour for joining in for the session. So it's thank you for all of you who have joined in.
Duhita ma'am, you have posted all the links here.
I have posted all the links, ma'am. In fact, I think it's been double times that I have
All right.
posted.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
So
I'll stop recording now.
can we, yes, can we have the last slide, please?
Oh, all right.
Yeah. So dear all, our next Tech Talk Tuesday session is going to be on the 4th of June. It's again going to be a wonderful session. Yes, Ranjana ma'am will be sharing the recording because I believe you have just joined in. We would be sharing the recording also. So the next webinar is on 4th of June, which would be taken up on Paint 3D and Merge Cube. We really hope you are going to be there for the session, and it's going to be taken up by Ms. Charu Chabra. It's going to be another informative session all along. A whole detail on Merge Cube, as people have been asking over here also, is going to be shared for the same. We are still online. We are going to stop the recording over here, but we are still online for